Hi guys, this is Aki here. I have already little bit discussed about translation studies and fiction in English. Now today I am here with a new topic. The topic is that literary criticism. In that subject we have to study first Aristotle poetics. So today I am going to discuss on these topics that what is Aristotle thoughts on poetics and Plato ideas that Aristotle oppose. So Aristotle was born in 384 before Common Era and he died 322. He was an ancient Greek philosopher and polymath. His writings cover a broad range of subjects spanning natural science, philosophy, economics, linguistics, psychology, politics, and the arts. So this is a little bit introduction about Aristotle. Now come to main topics, poetics. So basically, poetics is the earliest surviving work of Greek dramatic theory and a first extant philosophical treatise uh, to focus on literary theory. In this text, Aristotle offers an account which refers to poetry and more literary. The poetic arts deriving from the term for a poet's author maker. Aristotle divides the art of poetry into verse drama to include comedy, tragedy, and the style plays, lyric poetry, the epic, the Janus, all share the function of mimesis or imitations of life, but differ in three ways that Aristotle described. First one, differences in music, rhythm, harmony, meter, on and melody. Second one, difference of goodness in the character, and third last one, difference in how the narrative is presented, telling a story or acting it out. Now come to what is a mimesis or imitation. So mimesis or imitations representation of expression, given that for example music is a form of mimesis, and often that there is no music in the real world to be imitated or represented. Now come to Plato ideas that Aristotle oppose.